What if heat could change your gender? That's the amazing power of the bearded dragon, and today, we're finally exposing its secret. Welcome everyone to Science Exploring. The central bearded dragon is a reptile like no other. It holds one of nature's great mysteries, the ability to switch sex. For years, scientists were baffled by how this lizard determines its fate using both genes and temperature. Now, they've finally found the answer. Here's the challenge. Bearded dragons use a ZZ/CW chromosomal system. ZZ is genetically male, ZW is female. But if a genetically male, ZZ, egg is incubated at high temperatures, it completely overrides its DNA and develops into a functional female. The question was, what gene is being switched off? The solution arrived via a genome breakthrough. Two separate research teams, one led by BGI and another by researchers from the University of Canberra, independently sequenced the bearded dragon's entire genome. They used advanced technologies, like ultra-long nanopore sequencing, to create incredibly detailed maps of the sex chromosomes. And both teams pointed to the same prime suspect, the anti-Müllerian hormone gene, or AMH, and its receptor, AMHR2. This is the likely master sex-determining gene that has eluded reptile biologists for so long. The fact that two independent projects reached the exact same conclusion using different methods gives this discovery huge confidence. So, how does it work? The ZZ males carry a double dose of the AMH gene on their Z chromosomes, which promotes male development. The ZW females carry only a single dose. This is a dosage-based mechanism. When the egg gets too hot, the heat acts as an environmental signal that suppresses that double dose of AMH, effectively turning the genetically male individual into a female. This is a landmark moment. For the first time, scientists have a clear candidate for a master sex-determining gene in a reptile, similar to the well-known SRY gene in mammals. This work now provides a crucial model for studying vertebrate sex determination, the interplay between genes and the environment. The use of advanced technology, specifically ultra-long nanopore sequencing, allowed researchers to achieve an almost perfect assembly of the sex chromosomes, even recovering millions of base pairs of previously missing sequences. This helped them pinpoint the exact location of the gene on the non-recombining region of the Z chromosome. The mystery of the sex-switching dragon is solved. The master switch is AMH. This discovery is a huge step toward understanding how life dictates one of its most fundamental traits. The bearded dragon's secret is out, and the future of genetic research is looking bright. Thank you for watching.